Jeanine Áñez Chávez is a Bolivian politician and lawyer. She was the interim president of Bolivia until the 2020 Bolivian general election, in which she was replaced by Luis Arce of MAS-IPSP. She was Bolivia's second female president, after Lidia Gueiler Tejada, who served as interim president from 1979 to 1980 before losing the 1980 Bolivian general election. Áñez was previously an opposition senator from the northeastern department of Beni, belonging to the center-right Democrat Social Movement, which belongs to the Democratic Unity Coalition of parties in Bolivia's legislative assemblies. From January to September 2020, she ran for president as part of the Juntos Avancemos Alliance, a coalition of the Democrat Social Movement Party and 4 other parties. She is a strong critic of Morales. Jeanine Áñez was born in the small Amazonian town of San Joaquin in the department of Beni, Bolivia, on 13 August 1967. She was the youngest of 7 children born to 2 teachers. Her background has been described as poor mestizo and lower middle class. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.